This video is going to show how I take a message from Carbon Voice that I want to save and put that into another tool, let's say Google Sheets, using Zapier. So I have this Google Sheet set up where I have information. In this case, I'm taking product feedback where people have shared in the product and given us feedback, and I want to take the things that they've said are good, the things that they say are bad, and then new ideas that they have, and be able to get to them later. And so I can have the transcript and be able to organize that. So I am using Zapier connection setup. Let me show you how this looks. You can just, when you go to create a Zap, it'll be asking, just search for Carbon Voice, and you'll find Carbon Voice there. I'm gonna, I've already picked that here. And what I've selected here is new label. So you can see that that is what I'd already had picked, and then you log into your account. We then go to the next step. I have a label that is created. I'm going to use, for this one I'm setting up, is the ideas one. So I have product feedback idea, and then I can hit next, and I can test trigger so I can get the data, sample data to use. So now I have that data loaded. I'm going to come over here. You can just hit plus, pick the tool. In this case, I've already filled out a lot of it. Let's go back to the first step. I chose Google Sheets. I said create spreadsheet row. So it's going to add a new row into the sheet. And then the way I have already picked from my Google Drive, I've picked the specific sheet that spreadsheet I want to use, and then the specific worksheet. So as you saw in that Google Sheet, I had good, bad, and idea. So I'm going to put this on the idea tab. And as you can see here, I've already filled some information in here, so you don't have to watch me do all that. But let me show you this. It grabs these fields from what you've put in. So let's imagine I want to link back to the message here. So I'm going to add that right there, and I'm going to have it reload the fields. And keep in mind, it puts them in order. And so you can see it's added the new link here. And so I'm going to just say slash to get to the set of fields from Carbon Voice. On the message, I'm going to type link. And so we have message link right here. And now that's going to add that in. So you can look through here. You have different fields that are getting added, and they are being added in here. And then the link itself is also going to be added. So we can go ahead and hit continue. And I am going to skip the test and just publish it at this point. And so I'm now over in Carbon Voice on my phone. We're going to jump over here, and I am going to take a message and go ahead and put that label on for the idea. And so I just labeled a message, and Zapier should notice that here in just 1 second, and then it will add in here. So there it is. It's copying the formatting from the previous row, so as soon as I clear off one of them, in the future it won't do that. But here it is, and there's the transcript that came through. And so now it's really easy for me to just take messages. Let's say someone had a good idea. In this case, maybe it's something that you want to store for follow-up in different places, and you can feed that into your different documents with just a quick tap of a label on a message.